Apple's Jony Ive has just been promoted to Chief Design Officer at the company. Here's how the mastermind behind the iPod and iPhone rose to become the most famous designer on the planet. Graduating with a first-class degree, Ive's first big career step was helping found Tangerine, a London-based design company. Designing everything from power tools to toothbrushes, Ive also worked with client Apple, doing some early designs for what would become the PowerBook in 1991. Ive joined Apple in 1992, where he worked on the second version of the Newton, the MessagePad 110. Apple in the mid-90s was a far cry from the Apple of today, however, losing cash and lacking focus in its product lineup. Ive was planning on quitting, but the return of co-founder Steve Jobs in 1996 changed everything. With the iMac G3, Apple swept aside years of dull, samey computers, and Ive's work with Jobs on this landmark device thrust him to the forefront of Apple. Ive would achieve broader recognition for his contribution to the iPod in 2001, which Ive insisted should have a pure white colour scheme, from the charging cable to the earbuds. Over the next decade, Ive would level his legendary attention to detail at many Apple hits, including the iPhone, iPad, and plenty of Macs. Following the death of Steve Jobs, in 2012, Ive took another major step at Apple, taking charge of software design as well as hardware. The following year, Apple's mobile gadgets got a major reworking in the form of iOS 7, a flatter, more colourful look that's since spread to the Mac. Ive's latest creation is the Apple Watch, unveiled in 2014. It remains to be seen whether this wearable gadget can have the same impact as Apple's other products, but what's certain is that Ive has become one of the company's greatest assets, and we're excited to see what he builds next.